So hello students, now our second query is retrieve a name of students enrolled in at least one part-time course. So we have to show the student who is in the part-time course. Now here I already type this and uh, let's see the old tables. So type select star from admission and got this. Now course, got this. Here we have to show the course type. Those students whose course type is part-time, we have to show it in the separate form. So just type select star from course where course type is equal to part-time. Actually, I have given the length small, that's why I'm not typing it here as full-time. No, at part-time. I didn't use here the time because I give the small length to this section. And now press enter. So here we got the all part-time course type students who are allotted as a part-time course. So that's our second question that we have solved here. And again I'm repeating the question. Retrieve name of students enrolled in at least one part-time course. So here we got the two. At least means one or more than one. Okay, so that's it for today. So just keep learning.